We're here. It's Wednesday. It's a great day. I hope it is. Look out your window. Make sure that the weather looks nice. All right. So we have a wonderful Wednesday workout for you. Alliterations are fun. And we're going to go through 2 rounds here. 10 and 10 clamshells. That's 10 left, 10 right. Now, some of you may be old enough to remember Suzanne Summers and her wonderful Thigh Master. This is one of those movements, okay? Clamshells, 5 and 5 kettlebell Arnold presses. Okay, these are starting here at the chest and rotating all the way up. So palm in, palm out, okay? Now, if you don't have the ability to do that, maybe you only have one implement, not a dumbbell or a kettlebell, just do a regular press, that's okay. But if you do, this is a great shoulder movement, okay? Named after Arnold Schwarzenegger. This is one of his movements, okay? 10 alternating Cossack squats. Now, a Cossack squat is getting down very low, going left and going right. Now, if you can't do that, what I suggest is just try your best to get down into the bottom of a squat and hold it for 10 seconds. That's gonna help open up your hips. But if you can get down to the bottom of a Cossack squat, meaning you can open up those legs and you can come down on one leg and then alternate to the other. I know you probably can't see my lower half, but just watch the movement demos for this. Just do your best. It's a very good hip opener. Yeah, if your knees bother you, you can't do a squat, just do a windmill. Just open up your feet nice and wide and you can do 2-hand touch the ground or rotate and do 1-hand touch the ground, okay? You can sub in backpack strip put, like I said. If you can't do an Arnold press, just do a regular press, okay? All right, that's enough of that warm up. 2 rounds through, very easy. Let's get into our workout. All right, so here is part 1 of our workout. This is our skill portion, and then there'll be a Metcon right after this. Our skill portion is Turkish get-ups, okay? So we're gonna do just for every minute on the minute for 6 minutes, 2 left, 2 right Turkish get-ups with some implement. You can use nothing, just use your hands. You can use a rock, a water jug, a dumbbell, a shoe, whatever you have, okay? I have backpacks in here. You're gonna watch the video, I'll be doing it with a backpack, but just anything you can. Now, here's some scaling. You can do 1 and 1 if you take a little while. You can do half of a Turkish get-up, so meaning do a sit-up and come to the lunge position, then go back down. Okay, you don't have to do the whole movement if you can't do it. All right, but do your best. Maybe you only get 1 on this side and you do 1 on the other side the next minute. Okay, and then 45 seconds of a moderate row. Now, if you don't have a rower at home, okay, that you can jump on and just row to your heart's consent. Then what you're going to do is an upright row. So you can grab your backpack, dumbbells. You can do 2 dumbbells or 1 dumbbell. You're just going to row up to the body. So sumo deadlift high pull. Okay, come down as low as you're able to, and then stand up and pull to the clavicle. Okay, no measure here. This is just skill work, not going fast, just getting it done. Okay, next is our Metcon. All right, here we go. We got our Metcon ready to go. It's a fun one. Okay, it's a descending ladder. So we're starting at 14 reps and going down. Do 14, 14, 14, and then 12, 12, 12, all the way down to 2. We're gonna have a time cap of 14 minutes here. Now, if you're one of those speedy people and you can actually get down to 2 and there's time left, go back to 14. Okay, you go back up to 14 and work your way back down that ladder, okay? Tuck jumps, ground to overhead, and burpees. Now, if you have a slam ball at home, you can also substitute slam balls in for the ground to overhead. But if you only have dumbbells or a sandbag or something, you can ground to overhead, so that means clean and jerk, clean and press, snatches, any of those movements that go from ground to overhead, okay? And then our wonderful friend the burpees, you can substitute up downs for these, whatever makes you move, okay? Those are actually gonna get easier as this workout goes on, but the ground to overhead will get more challenging, okay? Tuck jumps, these are deceptive. I just want to put a little caveat in here. They will get messy and sloppy pretty fast if you're really going all out each round, okay? So be sure to monitor your breathing, because most people hold their breath when they're doing these tuck jumps. And that's a jump and then pulling your knees up to your chest, okay? It's really hard to kind of string these together unless you practice it a little bit. So if you can't do tuck jumps, what you're going to do is either step ups, okay, or you're going to do lunges, okay? Jumping lunges preferably, okay? We're going to get that explosive movement in there, all right? Cool. So that's what we got today. That's our workout, and get ready for movement demos.